Good. Huh?
You should make the move more.
Yeah, he's gonna. Yeah, I'm just gonna have him go back and forth first, and then.
Have him stand on there.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's a nice little machine.
Oh yeah.
I want to have one someday.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Spin it. Yeah, I think so.
Go back
Do you?
Do a real show. I busted a flooring on the track side.
Yeah.
Underneath my yellow bunches.
Oh yeah.
I stood it right on in.
Really?
Like so I got used to it. I wasn't going to call my much.
Right. That should be good there.